I would love to see SPY just kind of snap to 44391 because VIX is coming right into 16 right now. VIX coming right into 16 with the gap down, so we're looking for some kind of pullback here on SPY. Right there at 51, I just don't like that enough yet. It's not terrible. We have a pretty overheated RSI, but I'd like to see one more squeeze on SPY up to maybe 73. All right, a riskier top tick pick. Only in 2. I'll let that extend a little bit more. Hoping to see VIX turn around here. RSI is getting absolutely obliterated. I just want to see VIX pull back off 16 and come all the way back up to this gap fill of 1636. Which I think is possible. But at the same time, you know, I've seen these momentum moves just do some crazy shit sometimes. So I'm waiting to see VIX turn back around. It's right on that support, but it's yet to get any kind of turnaround, unfortunately. VIX trying to maintain this level again, but SPY's really not catching that downside bid. It's just holding my entry, really. So we need to see a flash up candle on VIX, and I'm hoping that's what we get, and we get the push back up to the fill on VIX. But so far, SPY is just kind of messing around, which in this scenario, not the greatest setup, as that's just going to allow for accumulation. VIX trying to push up again, but SPY just doesn't care. Waiting on one VIX bounce to drop this thing. It's trying and trying and trying, but SPY is just like holding up. So looking for a drop here. All right, VIX is looks like it's starting up, but man, SPY is just ruthless, man. SPY is being absolutely ruthless. We need VIX to really get like a good swift candle up, because SPY is not doing what we need it to. There's going to be SPY with the first 9 EMA tag. It's going to be a big point. If we loop this and continue up, that'll be wraps. And yeah, exactly what you don't want to see there. VIX still playing out the way we want to see it, but as SPY tags that 9 EMA, it's not the play out you want to see. VIX not giving the down move. That's a shame. Tough start to the week. Yeah. All right. Well, tough start to the week. Oh, tough. All right. Well, I'm ditching. Tough start to the week. Another L. Hate to see that, but it is what it is. It is what it is.